don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa 0. I'm joined by the kid with no sense. It's Mr. Chochi.
Steve, grand. After to fight no one fix it African football. You should have said Sundowns pre-season, not Betway Premiership. Yeah. But anyways, that does Steve. Let me first start by congratulating Eric Tingler for winning Coach of the Month, Steve, at Sekhukhune United, Steve. I think when the men came to the club, there were many criticism went to the chairman and the CEO not believing anything. But remember, right now they are when the club is doing very well, when Eric Tingler is doing very well, they're just waiting for his downfall to start talking. Remember why I made it the downfall of our fans way too, for them to start talking and saying you should have not interviewed our tapes. But right now, because of the channel is doing it's honest, because right now the channel is doing very well and it's flowing. Steve, they will never give us credit. They will never do anything. Just like Eric Tingler, he came, they says him that bad decision by Uvaisha Sema and everything. But the club is doing very well. Played 4 games in the month of April and won 3 out of them. Draw 1 game. He didn't lose anything, Steve. But they won't give him the credit. Anyways, another credit to Keletso Makgala for also winning the Player of the Month for the month of April, Steve. I always tell you about Keletso Makgala. I don't think Ibile right now, let me make a statement, is the best winger in the country, and I don't care who says what. He's the best winger in the country. I see them, the others, they're doing their job, but he's the best winger in the country because of he has 11 assists above all the wingers that we have in the country currently. He has 4 goals, which is above many in the country. But anyways, his crime was playing for a small team, which is Sekhukhune United, because they don't want him. They will never involve him in the PSL awards, but they will involve players who are not better than him. The likes of others, they're in Soweto and whatever. I won't mention their name. They will put them there.
Makosi.
No, Pirates. They will put them those wingers there. Serious, they will put them those wingers there who he has done better than them, but playing in the very same position. But no voter rights because of Bonava Derby. Anyways, you don't care. Keletso Makgala has done the best, Steve, and I think Hugo Bruce will see this and call him Bafana, Steve. Coming again, let me start by congratulating the real champions of South Africa, Steve. Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve. They have won 15 times in the PSL era, Steve. No, Steve. I'm saying that the real champions, Steve. I'm saying that, there's their champions, but they're not real champions. I'm saying Sundowns are the real champions, Steve. They have won it 15 times in the PSL, 8 times in a row, Steve. Like 18 times since from 1971, since from the creation of the club, Steve. Those others, they have won, yes, they've won those cups, but ask yourself if VAR was here, were they going to win those cups now? Ask yourself if VAR was here, are those teams from Soweto going to win those cups now? Ask yourself those kind of questions, Steve. No, I don't know. Ask yourself a question. People, go and watch the comments, they will tell you. If those VAR was here, were they going to win them, those cups and everything, Steve? But anyways, Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve, has won 18 times since from the PSL, since from 1971, the creation of the club. Remember, Mamelodi Sundowns was created at the very same time as Kaizer Chiefs, but they have won 18 times in 18 times, and Chiefs has won it 14 times or 10 times. Then which one is the biggest team? Ask yourself, okay, Sharp, they have many trophies like Nedbanks, MTN and everything, but what is the biggest trophy in South Africa? Is the league. Sundowns have won it 18 times, better than any team since from the start of 1971. Then then who's the biggest team in South Africa currently? Who's the biggest team?
Only the trophies.
Only the trophies. The PSL trophies. The trophies that make sense. Those others, they make sense, but which one makes more sense? And which one is going to take you to CAF? Which one is going to take you to bigger stage in the world? So give credit to Mamelodi Sundowns. I think now it's about time. I think that advice that Mr. PhD gave to Mamelodi Sundowns, that they won't chase them, they must go to PSL and ask for games. I think it's about time Mamelodi Sundowns Pirates go and ask for games in the PSL, because they need some games in order for them to surpass Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve. I mean, this is a team, Steve. I always say that they're not respected enough, Steve. Tell me if any team that has ever scored 63 goals in 27 games in the PSL. 63 goals. Tell me any team. Those people who say they were gonna win the league, they only scored 39 goals. Okay, Skukunu scored 36, but we were never dreaming of winning the league. Yes, we dreamed, but at 5 o'clock we wake up and train and said, it's not possible because of people. Those people has invested, Steve. But there are those ones who dream even during the day, but they only scored 39 goals. But they were gonna tell you that they have games in end. Imagine if Mamelodi Sundowns was played those games about Royal AM and everything. What's gonna happen, Steve? They're at 70 points right now. Imagine if they were gonna play those other games, Steve. Never fair. So congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve. I think Steve, we are experiencing one of the best football club in the county, Steve. In this moment, if we are not gonna recognize Mamelodi Sundowns or respect Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't know then you are a football fan or what. Maybe you are a football Nini Kambu if you're not gonna respect them, Steve. They have done what you have never done. But remember, they're always gonna be jealous and everything, Steve. But Mamelodi Sundowns has done what nobody has ever done. There's no team, trust me, there's never gonna be a team in South Africa that's gonna win it 8 times in a row. There's never gonna be a team, and there has never been a team that wins it 8 times in a row.
The Chiefs will never.
Never at their best seasons, they never did 8 times in a row. Tell me of any team that has done 8 times in a row. They have never done it 8 times in a row. They have never done it 8 times in a row. Never. And the league right now is such a competitive league. That time the league was not competitive. There were many errors and everything. The league was never competitive, Steve. But Sundowns have done it in a competitive league, Steve. Consistent, Steve. You gotta respect them. You gotta respect them. I wanna know the league now. There's no longer a small team and there's no longer a big team. There's nothing. Just teams. Look where they are. They are positioned right now during this kind of a league. So it tells you the league there, it was fooling us. That's why right now Sundowns has 18. Bonabana, how many? Some 14, 10, whatever. Yeah, one. Because in the PSL era, remember Sundowns has won 15 times in the PSL. Chiefs and Pirates, they won 4 times. Skukuni 0. But anyways, I when I get about to Skukuni, and I saw Skukuni. But I win 4. Now we are talking about people who are here. We are just saving them with humble pies. Yeah, so, Steve, Steve, you gotta give credit to one thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, Steve. And I remember my interviews. Now I never trusted in Reina, Steve. I was even saying it doesn't fit Sundowns, Steve. But at that time I was right, Steve. But right now, look at the boy. What he's doing, Sundowns, Steve. What is doing? But I know yes, how many goals? I think 14 goals, Steve. And how many goals? How many assists? 13 assists, Steve. Imagine, Steve. And Ribeiro has how many? 14 goals, 13 assists. That's why I told you that the fight between the player of the season is at Sundowns, and the fight for top goal scorer of the season is at Sundowns, Steve. Those people that are doing an exceptional job, Steve. Reina is a left striker, Steve. Quality at his best, Steve. Our sharp at the goal, attacker. At the same time, the keeper just got scared, Steve. No, he doesn't play, Steve. I think the golden boot is really going to him. But we don't know what's going to happen. It's up to them against the game. They're going to fight for it right now. I get a part like one, I go to the dressing room. They're going to fight for it, but it's a healthy competition, Steve. Ribeiro, Steve, I quality language, Steve. I trust me, quality, Steve. Quality. They don't question what is sharp or no, because I cook. No. They don't even win. They don't cook in the league fair. Like question what is sharp, Steve. Can I ring him? Ribeiro ka le amona Ribeiro ka ae chule bare Ribeiro ka ae chule bare Ribeiro ka ae chule bare Ribeiro ka ae chule Are Ribeiro ka Shule Abakuka Bakuka kwa lemfetu. Kana the other one ring.
Ribeiro Costa Warona Ribeiro Costa Warona
I think Steve, this one I need to learn this one. I think I need to learn this one, Steve. I think they are cooking, Steve. They are cooking. I think I think we have decided. Though there's competition between NL Reinas, but I think as a PSL, we have as PSL fans. From my side, I have decided that Ribeiro is the player of the season. Even if he's gonna be given to any other person in Soweto or somewhere else, but whenever I meet Ribeiro, I will always tell him you are the PSL player of the season for 2024-2025 season. I child the league is over. The league is over. Arsenal debate. What's there to debate? What's there to debate? Tell me any other person who's better than him, then we're gonna debate.
London Mfuke.
Mfukeng, he's doing an exceptional job, but remember his stats. If you compare Cam's stats, Makhalo is better than him. Sales is better than him. Gas stats. And remember, performance is stats. If then you're going to talk about performance, Makhalo feature man of the national 6 Makhalo. And Bogazum feature man of the national, I don't know how many he has. But he's an exceptional boy, quality generational talent, Steve. But if awards have been given according to stats, then I never look. But then if they're given according to favoritism, love, and everything, what you see him doing the pitch, then he deserves it, Steve. And Sales, Steve. I think I once said he's a scam. He is a cow.
Yeah.
I won't fear saying that. Yeah. At that time, I was right because he was not scoring. Remember, Steve, if today I say you are poor because you don't work, you are poor, Steve. But tomorrow, if you win Lotto, then you become rich. Then that means that doesn't mean yesterday I was wrong. I was right that yesterday. He was a scam at that point because he was not scoring and not doing anything. Yeah. But right now, going and feel to Ayakawata, Steve. First touch, first touch, come a billiard, Steve. Quality, Steve. I cannot watch a sharp at the goal. The keeper they become scared. His quality, Steve. Right now, we start realizing where he's worth the value that they bought him with, Steve. So, anyways, Bafetu, congratulations to the Mamelodi Sundowns, 15 times PSL champions, 8 times in a row, 18 times in the since from 1971, Steve. The best in South Africa, undisputed champion, the real champions of South Africa. Yes, there are other champions, but these are the real champions of South Africa. So, congratulations to the Mamelodi Sundowns. Even next season, they must surpass us. They must take it. Shute ratamaya, shute ratama. Harwina lege barsupaga menwana. Harwina kefe barwindeka. Shute ratama, shute ratama, shute ratama. Word of the day. We don't lose. We don't draw. We are lonely at the top. Man of the match. Mrembola, tell me. Mrembola. Quality language. Yalazi bowler. Rowan Williams done the best. For Chippa United, they have competed. They have came and honored the fixture, but nothing else we saw from them. They just sold out the stadium only. That's the thing they did best. But anyways, how can you win when you have men be there? Men be there for some men be the game was not focused. Those people, brother, are still celebrating. Because Chiefs, they're still celebrating. Kev, 90 minutes. During the game, I don't know, I kept champions, barking in NetBank champions. I'm not our into last year.